Check that big board, please. We're down 36 points. We're down because of some confusion over trade. We're still talking with Canada. No deal yet, even though today is supposed to be a deadline. The market heading ever so fractionally south. Douglas Holtz-Eakin with us. Sorry, Douglas. I'll try to get it right. I promise you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You don't like this trade business, do you? You don't like tariffs. You don't want to upset NAFTA. You're happy with the way things are, aren't you?
I think NAFTA could be improved, and there are improvements on the table. There's no question. But I'm not happy about the expansion of tariff and non-tariff barriers to trade. The administration's stated position has been, we're going to use tariffs as a strategic tool to get to better trade deals which have fewer barriers to trade. The deal they announced with Mexico has higher non-tariff barriers to trade. It has minimum wages, domestic content, steel and aluminum rules, and it did not get rid of the steel and aluminum tariffs. That doesn't seem to be the outcome they promised.
We wanted to go to, I think the president wanted to go towards much more free trade, much more trade, an absence of tariffs on all sides. But we're not going to get there. By the looks of it, we're not going to get there. So are you saying that when we wrap all of this stuff up, it will actually be a negative for America, our economy, and our consumers?
I think it is at the moment a negative. What it is a deal for higher auto prices, and that's not good for us. It really doesn't do anything for the business community in terms of the dispute settlement issues, and I think we could have done better. And the good news, Stuart, is it's not over by any means. And I, at least, don't think today really is the deadline for a deal. Today's the deadline for a deal that the outgoing president of Mexico could sign. I don't think that's the ultimate consideration. The incoming president had a team at the table. They're on the same page. What matters is a good deal. Canada needs a deal with the United States. The U.S. should want a deal with Canada. This is our largest trading partner. But that deal has to be in both sides' interest. That's the ultimate goal. And if it isn't today, it could be next week or the week after. So you've got to get there eventually.
Do you suspect that the president is okay on the economic side of things? He'll take a deal. But what he really wants is a political win, to fire up his base, which doesn't care for China and doesn't care for NAFTA. You think that politics is at the root of all of this?
I'd be shocked if the president, who is the finest politician in the land, isn't paying attention to the politics of this. Any president would. And so, yes, politics enter into this. They enter into this on the Canadian side as well. Prime Minister Trudeau doesn't want to go back to Canada, having given away the store on dairy and then lose his subsequent election. So you have to thread the politics into the economics of this deal, and that's what they're trying to do.
Douglas, thanks for joining us. I think you're absolutely right, and I'm going to take a look at the market, which proves the point. Douglas Holtz-Eakin, thanks, sir. We'll see you again soon.